Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high memory usage for Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here is to of course launch Google Chrome, then press on the three dots and then go to more tools and open up Task Manager here. And then here you should see all the tasks that is running on Google Chrome. You can sort it out by, as you can see here, memory, and then you can close the tasks that you don't want. So for example, I will close this one, and then I will close this one. So just look for the tasks that you maybe don't need and just end them. Of course, do not end utility ones because your Google Chrome will not run properly. Next up, what you need to do here, you can close Task Manager. Then you need to go to three dots again, manage extensions, or extensions should be somewhere here, and then manage extensions, and basically turn off all the extensions that you don't use. Next up, press on three dots again, go to settings, then go to reset settings, and then restore settings to original default, and press reset settings. Next up, what you need to do is to go to privacy and security, delete browsing data, then select all time, and then delete all the browsing data from your device as well. And the last thing what you need to do here, go on search settings, and then you just need to write preload. Preload pages and turn this off. Now, if we look on Google Chrome, it decreases significantly, right? So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.